welcome back to my channel. I am your girl CBunny. If you haven't already, go on and hit that subscribe button, sis, because it's free. So go on and hit it. I'll wait. Hit it, sis. Smash that money.
I fell back, I had a baby, you know. I did the mother thing, I did the wife thing, all that, yeah.
By the title, I am doing a lash haul, and also, you guys, I am telling you guys more about my new channel, so you don't want to miss it. So go ahead and continue watching. Okay, you guys, so let me just tell you guys real quick before we get into this haul. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, YouTube, or whatever, so let me just give you a little bit of a background story. So you guys, I started my business last year in August, and you guys, my anniversary about to come up. It's gonna be a year. So you guys, I have an online beauty business. The main focus right now is my lashes because, baby, my lashes. Okay. So you guys, I added 3 new different lashes. I had 3 different type of lashes, but one is a whole package and 2 just individual lashes. So yes, you guys, I added recently to my website, and this is what I'm going to share with you guys. And also, I'm gonna let you guys know before we get into the haul. Well, but first thing I do want to show you guys is the lashes I am wearing today, and they are Bunny Wispy. I say Wispy. So you guys, these are the lashes I am wearing today, and I'm also going to show you how it look because now these are the ones I am rocking today. I'm holding it, you guys, because guess what? Once we take this out, sis, of my packaging, I don't play, sis. Like, once we take this out, we can reuse it, okay? So that's why I'm holding it. So you guys, are the lashes I am wearing today. Do not play with these, like, period. Super cute, you guys. So let me turn this light down. Okay, so these are her, you guys. They are available now on the website, sis. Okay, so got that out the way. Okay, you guys, so the other babies that has been added to my website are Blame. We call her Blame, sis. We're just gonna blame it on the lashes. Whatever you do that night, we're gonna just blame it on the lashes. So you guys, these are Blame. Oh my god. Like, do not freaking play with her. Like, period. Okay, guys. And, baby. And the next lashes that I do have, you guys, are Flirty. I think these lashes can be very flirty. Like, you're going to flirt, sis, with these lashes on. And guys, these are Flirty. If you don't follow me on Instagram, sis, you'll see all these lashes on me or on customers. You want to make sure you follow me on Instagram. Flirty is very cute, guys. Get into them, sis. Okay. The one that I have been so excited about, that I absolutely love. I came out with the CBunny pack, sis. Like, please do not play with her. Like, what? She got the pack. So you guys, so cute. The little packaging. Got little rhinestones on the packaging. Super, super cute. Of course, my logo. And you get 4 different styles of lashes, sis. Like, it ain't gonna get no better. Well, it might do get better. But sis, it's better right now. So, look at these babies. Like, I'm just take this off. But, I don't play. Okay, so sis, number 8. Let's look at number 8 first. Number 10, 13, and 20. These two are very dramatic ones, but sis, like, you get 2 dramatic lashes and an okay lash if you just want to throw on some lashes, but you don't want to be extra. You get those. And sis, like, I have had customers, no cap, you guys, I have had customers tag me into lashes. I'm like, sis, you ordered from me like months ago, and they still use my lashes. My lashes can be worn over 30 days. Over 30 days. Like, the longest you take care of your lashes, they will last. I really have, and I'm not trying to brag, you guys, I really have some good lashes. Like, I'm just so blessed because I have been into like these beauty supply stores, and it's not a lash that can compare to what I have, sis. And I'm not just trying to sell you guys things. Like, I would not sell my customers anything that I would not put on my eyes. Every video since I started my business, always been CBunny lashes, and I haven't had a problem. If I have a problem, your girl wouldn't sell them. So, yes, you guys, very good quality. My bands are very, very thick. Like, and I know it's so many lash business out there, but you guys, it's the quality for me. It's the quality for me, you guys. Like I said, these lashes will last you a minute, sis. They on my website right now if you want to go purchase these, because I really believe these will really go fast. You want to get into these, like, period. Also, you guys, I don't just have dramatic lash. I try to cater to every different style, because every woman don't like dramatic lash. With me, that's why I have a lash business. I will wear any lash. If they small, medium, big, I will wear them. So, I really believe lashes bring out the faces. It's like, bring out the face, bring out the face. So, this more catered to, like I said, well, I got different styles, more to come, you guys. And these are more catered to my girls who don't like too much going on, which I respect that, because I was that girl at first. Like, I wouldn't wear big lashes. Shout out to my sister, because she got me liking real big lashes. And then I would wear big lashes if I'm going out to the club or just trying to be extra or whatever. But I ain't been out to a club in a minute, but so, but anyway, you guys, these cater to the women, like I said, don't want too much, and you still get that mink. You can wear these lashes over and over, like I said, and store it in this case. And that's why I love my packaging. I love my case, because it's not too much going on. It's like, you can see the main focus is the lashes, and you get the CBunny symbol. Like, and like I said, you can always keep this. So, yeah. So, I love my packaging. I really believe in my brand. Like, I'm probably not where I want to be at, you guys, but sis, I believe in my product. Okay. So, you guys, that concludes. And let me just tell you guys, too, before I get into my new channel that I got going on. So, you guys, I just want to let you guys know. I wrote this down. I even got this posted on my Instagram. I just want to let you guys know, like, why would you get CBunny lashes? Because I have luxury lashes, very affordable. Packaging. My packaging is very cute, you guys. And then it don't overwhelm the whole focus. And the whole focus is the lashes. Period. And the quality. My bands are very thick. They fluffy. They're affordable. They're under $15, you guys. But yeah, so you guys, you want to just check out my website at CBunnyBeauty.com. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And also, you guys, I'm starting a new channel, you guys, and it is called CBunny Beauty. I will leave all information down below in the description box. So, you guys, the reason why I started a new channel is because I just needed that restart. It's plenty of reasons why I started a new channel. It's because I needed that restart. I need to brand more. I needed to be a little bit more professional. And it's plenty of reasons why. So like I said, you guys, go ahead and follow my new channel. I will get into more details about me starting a new channel on another video. But this was mainly focused on these lashes that I have. The new lashes. So you guys, I appreciate you guys so much. All the guys that have been still supporting me, still been rocking with your girl. I thank you guys so much. And I just want to say thanks to all my new subscribers as well. And like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is free, and I appreciate you guys so much. Oh, and also you guys, the information down for this hair. I did do a video, but I didn't like it, you guys. I'm just gonna keeping it real. But if you want some affordable wavy hair bundles, this company sent this hair to me, and I decided to do this hairstyle, which I thought was very cute, but it didn't come out right on the video because I was all over the place. I didn't know what I was gonna do. And this is the look I came up with. This is 2 bundles. They sent me 3, so this is like 2 bundles in the back. This is my real hair right here, blended with a little bit of braiding hair, not much. And yeah, so you guys, I will leave down in the description box as well if you're interested in some affordable hair. So yeah, that's it, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.